Hello there everybody, welcome to TRC.
We are the hosts for today. I'm Vidyashri.
And Nitin this side,
Today we'll take you all through a thrilling ride.
full of twists and turns,
There will be mind-bending visions,
with a touch of humor and entertainment.
and I'm sure to the end of this episode, you all will be hooked to our content. So Nitin, what is the first event that all of the viewers are going to enjoy?
Vidyashri, tell me, aren't you curious about what's going on and going to happen in our city?
Well, I am.
So that's what our first event is, the news headlines of local news.
A very happy morning everyone. I'm Rishika
And I'm Anvesha.
from News at 9. We are reporting to you from PMC Kendra Vidyalaya Barampur. Today is 27 January 2024. So let's start with the local news.
Navin Patnaik inaugurates Heritage Corridor at Sri Jagannath Temple in Puri. It was an 800 crore heritage project which aims to provide improved amenities to the pilgrims around the historic Sri Jagannath Temple. Odisha's sculptor remakes Ram Mandir replica using matchsticks.
Ayodhya Ram Mandir Odisha set by electrifying devotion to Lord Ram. Tata Power led Odisha Discom empowering manufacturers.
Rupees 1.8 thousand crores for the development of MKCG Hospital. Odisha CM Navin Patnaik inaugurates Malkangiri Airport.
India made new generation Akash missile successfully flight tested at Balesur. The rest of the rare pseudo-melanistic tiger family spotted in Odisha's forest.
Odisha's Uttarkarnika National Park is to get railway. Odisha's governor banned for smaller irrigation projects for farmers.
196 cases of COVID subvariant G9 detected. In India, Odisha joins with one positive report.
Odisha's former Chief Minister Giridhar Goma is Congress along with his wife and his son. About 1 lakh other lands were laid in Odisha's Sambalpur during the great ceremony of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya was taking place.
CM Navin Patnaik sanctions ₹225 crore for 36 urban local bodies. ITI students of Barampur made idols from strength.
We just got some exciting news also. PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya Barampur recently hosted a painting competition on the occasion of Pariksha Pe Charcha. Many students from other schools also participated and got exciting souvenirs.
And also, PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya Barampur also celebrated Republic Day in a grand manner with lots of exciting gifts for the students and beautiful set of events.
That is all for today. Thank you.
I must say, it's so good to know about all the progresses that our state has been making.
Do you know we have a guest here right now?
Of course I know. Today, we have a great personality, a writer, an educationist, a prolific orator, and a man of principle. Today we have Mr. Shiva Priya Das, the principal of PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya Barampur.
Really, it's a great honor to have Sri Shivapriya Das, principal of PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya Barampur on Chronicle Hour.
Hello everyone, I am Priya Sahu and you are watching Chronicle Hour. Today I have the privilege to introduce someone who shapes the very fabric of PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya Barampur. That's right, I am talking about Honorable Principal of this school, Mr. Shiva Priya Das. So let's now immerse ourselves in this insightful conversation with Honorable Principal Sir. A very good afternoon, respected Principal Sir. I hope you are doing well. We are grateful to have you here for an interview, sir. I have always found myself instituted by the values and vision that drive PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya Barampur. And I believe that understanding your perspective will provide us with a wealth of inspiration and insight. Sir, may I kindly take your permission to proceed with the interview?
Sure.
Thank you, sir. So, as we know that the driving force behind the school's success and massive students' growth is none other than you. So, my first question to you is, what is your vision for your school and how do you see your ideology in shaping future?
Well, first of all, thank you for conducting this interview. Thank you, class 9A students. Uh, My vision for my Vidyalaya is to make a transformation in every which aspect. From teaching to learning to participation in games and sports, participation in cultural activities, participation in various competitions, and above all, performance in board examinations. I want in every which respect my Vidyalaya to be the numero uno in this district, in the state. And I also want my school, as PMC Kendriya Vidyalaya mandate says, that it will be an experiment of National Education Policy 2020. We will be the exemplar school in this district as far as the implementation of National Education Policy 2020 is concerned.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your perspective. It's truly inspiring to hear about the vision you have for your school. Following that, I'd like to hear more about your ideology. So, in your views, what qualities or accomplishments exemplify student success or excellence?
Well, the parameters for excellence of a student to start with is her academic excellence. But more than anything else, I want my students to be good citizens. We must learn citizenship values, and we must develop a sense of patriotism, a sense of creating something new, doing something new for this Vidyalaya.
Thank you, sir. Definitely, your values on student success are truly valuable. Following that, I'd like to shift our focus to the next question. In the context of 2024, we know the increasing importance of skills beyond traditionally followed academic performance. So, do you believe that academic validation holds less value as compared to diverse skills?
Both are important, but I think vocational skills are more important than the so-called academic skills. What we are doing now, we are just reading the textbooks and we are just appearing the examination where such questions are asked and we just write it down. It's a memory and recall type of examination system. But with the introduction of artificial intelligence, with the introduction of Google, with the introduction of internet, so knowledge retrieval is not a big thing. If I want to know when a war took place, it is easy to Google it and get it. Why should I remember it? Why should I cram my brain, my precious brain space with such redundant information? Why shouldn't I think something new? Why shouldn't I think why wars take place? Why people are killed?
Definitely, sir. According to you, as you said, you are truly right. Both are important for students equally.
And I would like to say that as far as vocational education is concerned, Kendriya Vidyalaya, PMC Kendriya Vidyalaya Barampur is running a Prime Minister Kaushal Vikas Yojana 4.0, where what we are doing, where we are giving training, vocational training to not only our own students but also the students, dropout students of the nearby community. We are teaching them. We started with something called domestic electric solutions, where we are teaching our children vocational skills of maintaining and in fact minor repair work of electrical appliances at home and in the school. So vocational skill is of course important. We must teach our children to learn with their hands. It is time to use your hands in learning instead of only eyes. I strongly believe that vocational education is the need of the hour, and we are spiritedly pursuing it, I would say.
Yes, sir. We have seen how much vocational education is there in your school. That's truly great. Your vision is truly inspiring to hear about it. And also, we are well aware of the fact of how you always motivate your students to be the number one and to achieve that despite many difficulties come in their path. So, my question to you is, how to deal with failures and get back on your tracks? Please elaborate your answer with your personal experience of dealing with failures.
Well, it depends on how you look at failure. Because if you think that you could not secure certain marks, and if it is a failure, I wouldn't say that is a failure. The way you look at something called failure or success. For instance, you wanted, let us say, 90% in certain subject and you couldn't secure it. But when you came to know that you couldn't secure that much percentage, you worked hard and you achieved something great. So now, wouldn't you give credit to that particular failure to the present success? So failure and success are are two sides of the coin, what they say. So it depends on how you look at it. And no failure is final. Please remember, there will be a lot of failures you will face. No failure is final, and also no success is final. So you will face a lot of failures. Don't look at failure or success. Look at how much you have contributed. Even if it is a failure, how much you have contributed. Let us have no regrets that I didn't work hard. I worked hard, I couldn't get the result, that's a different thing. I didn't work and I didn't get the result, that's a different thing.
So sir, the position you acquired, we definitely know that it wasn't really easy for you. But obviously you worked hard. So is there any like a period of your life where you have to deal with failures?
Of course, everybody goes through it. I don't consider myself getting the principal post is a success, but it's a narrow sense it is a success. But there is a lot of things to do. There is a line I like very much. If I remember it correctly, so much to do, so little has been done. बहुत कुछ करना है, बहुत कम हुआ है. A lot of things to do. Miles to go before you sleep. Miles to go before I sleep.
Thank you, sir. When I look up to you, your words, I admire how great of a leader you are, and I'm sure you are the role model of many students out there. Speaking of which, is there any person whom you look up to and admire as your role model, or someone you get inspired by?
Lots of people. Since I love to write, I've been influenced by a lot of writers. And as far as political leadership is concerned, I am very much influenced by Mahatma Gandhi. I'm a deep follower of Mahatma Gandhi, of course Subhash Chandra Bose. The list is Elysian. I also admire Abraham Lincoln. I'm a big fan of Lincoln. Since I read a lot, so the list is very long. A lot of people have influenced me. You know what Newton said, that if I look very far, मैं अगर बहुत दूर तक देख पा रहा हूँ, इसलिए मैं बहुत दूर तक देख पा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं दूसरे लोगों के कंधे पे खड़ा हूँ. So since I have read a lot of books, since I have been influenced by so many people, so that's why if anything happens, if I am considered to have achieved something, the credit goes to all.
But is there any person in present life right now whom you look up to?
There's so many. I look up to you people also.
Thank you, sir.
So, for a simple reason is that I am a master of only one subject, you are studying 5 subjects. You people are no less than leaders. A principal must, my goal is to be a student-centric principal. I want to be a student's principal, then teacher's principal. And again, I don't like the word principal. I want to be called, in fact, in my interview, I also told that I want to be called as a school leader. Because in all developed countries, the word principal is something, very administrative kind of word. It's a kind of a control word. But I would like to identify myself as a school leader rather than a principal.
Thank you, sir. I definitely look up to you as a school's leader. We have seen your work for us. Thank you, sir, for that. And also, sir, that's something I'm really curious about. I have heard about the book Bicycle Boys that you have written. So, sir, if you're comfortable, can you please tell us something about it?
Well, the book that describes the period of India from 1980s to 1990s. And the main theme of the book is that how national events, how big national events affect small individual lives. If something happens in Delhi, it also affects me in Baroda. That is the theme of the book. How five characters in that novel set in Puri, they were affected by all the major events that took place in 1980s and early 1990s. That is the theme.
Wow, so based on how it sounds, it's really interesting. I have to definitely read it someday. And also, sir, in the next 5 years, where do you see yourself and PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya Berhampur in terms of its growth?
So I would like to, the growth of PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya will be my growth. I would like to see it as the #1 school, not only in Bhubaneswar region, but also I want my children to do something imperishable, something very permanent, like this divine world. Children creating something that is still there in the school long after they have gone. I want my children to create permanent structure, permanent things, permanent accolades The achievement of my children is my achievement. My goal is to make each of my children, to be leaders, to be creators, to be inventors.
Thank you, sir. Your vision is truly inspiring, and definitely your students will never put down your expectations. Following that, we have came to the last question of our session. So my question to you, what is the best piece of advice anyone has given you, or a quote that keeps your ideology going on? Please tell us about it in the context of giving us all a message.
Well, for that, I always write thoughts here. Whenever I come here, I write a thought and I write word of the day. That is my job here. So today's thought is something different, but the line that inspires me every day is from Aristotle. And he said that we are what we regularly do. We are what we regularly do. Excellence then is not an action but a habit. हिंदी में अगर कहूँ, हम वही होते हैं जो हम हर रोज करते हैं. अगर ये सच है, अगर हर रोज करने वाला आदमी वही होता है, तो हम तो ही कहेंगे कि जो एक्सीलेंस जो होता है, एक्सीलेंस का हिंदी क्या है? एक्सीलेंस जो होता है वो एक हैबिट बन जाता है. अगर आदमी डेली का अच्छा काम करता है तो वही हम होते हैं जो हम हर दिन अगर अच्छा काम करते हैं तो हम अच्छे आदमी होते हैं. हर दिन अगर पढ़ाई करते हैं तो हम स्टूडेंट होते हैं. हर दिन अगर हम लीडरशिप लेते हैं तो हम लीडर हैं. That's the motto of my life.
Thank you, sir. It really inspires me, and it really inspires me that I should become how you are now. So I will create a personality where others will look up to me and say that I want to become like her. Thank you for that. What you have inspired me. During the whole interview, we got to understand about the sports direction and your approach as a principal very well. So thank you, sir, for being on our show. It was a great pleasure having you on our show, sir. Thank you a lot. So that was our conversation with Honorable Principal of PMC Kendra Vidyalaya Barampur, Mr. Shiva Priya Das. So I hope this added a lot of values to the viewers out there listening to our show. Thank you. I am Priya. I am signing off. Thank you for watching Chronicle Hour.
It was such a pleasure to have Mr. Shiva Priya Das for an interview. With his wisdom, he didn't let our guard down.
So let's have a short and quick commercial break. We will come back with many more special events, so stay tuned.
Shri Kendra Vidyalaya Barampur. Come to learn and go to serve the nation.
Welcome back to our channel. So for the next event, let's put our hands together.
No, not our hands together. But the viewers need to tighten their seat belts because I am afraid they might fall down from the seats while watching this out of excessive laughter.
So we have two amazing comedians who cracks the jokes that we cannot help but just laugh.
The most awaited stand-up comedy session.
देवी और सज्जनों, तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? मेरा नाम स्मृति, दुख के साथ कहना पड़ रहा है। मुझे लोग रामेश्वरी बुलाते हैं। हाँ, स्कूल जानते हो? स्कूल एक स्थान जिसमें बहुत सारे अजीबोगरीब प्राणियां होते हैं जो लेट में आते हैं, बहाने होते हैं कि लाइक भाई मेरी बस पंचर हो गई, मेरा ट्रेन पंचर हो गया, भाई मेरे गाड़ी को बिल्ली खा गई, डायनासोर ने हमला कर दिया, मैंने डायनासोर पे हमला कर दिया। और कभी कभार तो एवेंजर्स का भी कॉल आ जाता है। हाँ, एंड एक और जो जिसके पास हमेशा डाउट्स रहते हैं, लाइक टीचर आए नहीं, ब्लैक बोर्ड में कुछ लिखा नहीं, मैम आई हैव अ डाउट। लिखा भी नहीं। हाँ बट लिखना तो चाहिए ना, लाइक डेट लिखा है, अच्छे से देखो, आई हैव अ डाउट, आ गए बड़े।
मैम हमें कैसे पता आप हमारी क्लास की टीचर हो?
हाँ तो प्रूफ चाहिए क्या?
हाँ
हाँ बढ़िया है, आई हैव अ डाउट। इतना कौन पूछता है? पूछते हो तुम लोग? पूछते हो तुम? नहीं ना, तो हाँ भाई नेक्स्ट।
उसके बाद वो लोग जो हमेशा होमवर्क को डॉज करते हैं।
उनके पास हजारों बहाने होते हैं, जैसे मैंने होमवर्क नहीं किया, क्यों नहीं किया?
मैम मैं हॉस्टल में रहता हूँ।
हाँ तो हॉस्टल में क्या है?
हॉस्टल में होमवर्क कैसे करें?
अच्छा ओके ठीक है। और जो बच्चे होते हैं जो बोलते हैं कि मैम मैं अपने घर में था लेकिन कुछ लोग आए मुझे उठा के ले गए, ट्रेन में बैठाए और एक वीरान से आइलैंड पे मुझे छोड़ दिया और उस आइलैंड में मुझे गन मिला जिससे मैं उस आइलैंड को बचा दिया। और भाई भूख लग रही है, भूख नहीं लग रही ना, सब ठीक ठाक, वड़ा पाव, चिकन मसाला, डोसा कुछ चाहिए तो बोल देना, बस नहीं मिलने वाला अभी तो बस मम्मियों की गाली बाकी है। खानी है? अच्छा खाना तो पड़ेगा ही, ऐसे कैसे नहीं बोल रहा हूँ।
अरे हमारी मम्मियों के कितने काम रहते हैं, लेकिन अगर तुम उसे टाइम पे फॉलो नहीं करोगे तो पूरा ब्रह्मांड मिल जाएगा भाई।
तो एक सेकंड भी ना हुए मम्मी भी लाइक हाँ हाँ फोन पकड़ ले, मैं ये सब काम करती हूँ ना, देखना एक दिन ये काम करके मैं मर जाऊंगी। पता है हमारे जमाने में क्या होता था?
उनके जमाने में भाई वो लोग खतरों के खिलाड़ी बनते थे।
हाँ भाई पता नहीं कहाँ से पर्वत चढ़ के, कहाँ से केदारनाथ चढ़ के, कहाँ से पृथ्वियाँ चढ़ के स्कूल जाते थे वो लोग। मैथ से लेकर हिंदी से लेकर इंग्लिश से लेकर पता नहीं क्या ना जाने क्या क्या बस पढ़ा लिया मुझे,
क्योंकि टीचर्स तो पढ़ाते थे लेकिन पढ़ता कौन था?
था ना, इसीलिए मार्क्स आ जाते थे, टॉपर थी। ओह माय गॉड। लॉकडाउन का टाइम था, मैं घर में मस्त बैठी थी, चिल मार रही थी, किचन घूम लिया, बाथरूम घूम लिया, सब घूम लिया मैंने, सबका टूर कर दिया, भाड़ में जाए गोवा, भाड़ में जाए मुंबई, और नहीं घूमना, घर बहुत घूम लिया। मैंने पाया कि मेरे घर में ना जब मैं 5वीं में थी तब मेरे घर में 2 चूहे थे, ठीक है ओके। तो जब लाइक मैं अभी कुछ दिन पहले देखी तो भाई 2 क्या, वो 2 चूहे, उनके पोते पोतियाँ, दादा दादियाँ सब आ रहे।
जब मैं अपना घर घूम रही थी ना, मैं डोरा दी एक्सप्लोरर बन गई थी, लेकिन मेरे पास बूट्स नहीं थे। बट पता है मेरे घर में मुझे क्या मिला? मेरे घर में 1507 टाइम, 30 दरवाजे, 40 चम्मच और 100 बर्तन थे।
देखा यही होता है।
और बट मैं बता रही हूँ एग्जाम्स के बाद रिजल्ट्स आए नहीं, हमारे घर में रिलेटिव्स आ गए बहुत।
आते हैं कि नहीं आते हैं कि नहीं, है ना?
अरे बहुत परेशान हुआ बोला रिलेटिव्स, आप जरा बताइए।
हाँ रिलेटिव्स, हे भगवान पता नहीं कहाँ से टपक पड़ता है, ताने तो सुनते ही है, उसके ऊपर चप्पल भी पड़ जाता है 2-3।
चप्पल क्या, जूते चप्पल बंगले कोठी सब गिर जाता है पता है।
लेकिन ना जब भी रिलेटिव्स मेरे घर में आते हैं सबसे पहले वो इंट्रोडक्शन शुरू करते हैं अपने बच्चों के स्टेटस के साथ।
मेरा बेटा तो IIT कर रहा है, IIT प्रिपेयर कर रहा है, मेरा बेटा IIT प्रिपेयर कर रहा है, IIT पता है।
मेरी बेटी तो जैसे वो बोलते हैं, मेरी बेटी तो बहुत ज़्यादा मार्क्स लाई थी अपने ग्रेड में, 98.9% लाई थी।
बट असल में क्या होता है, बच्चा जो चीटिंग करता है कि लाइक अरे यार 8 नंबर बोला, 8 नंबर, हाँ जल्दी बोल, अरे घंटे बजने वाली, जल्दी बोल ना।
इन्हें लगता है टीचर नहीं सुन सकता, लेकिन पूरी क्लास उन्हें सुन सकती है। हमारे लिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज ही नहीं रहते।
लाइक वो इधर डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर लेता है, हमको चीटिंग करने का मौका ही नहीं मिलता, हम ऐसे देख रहे होते हैं और फिर हमारा मोए हो जाता है। वो तो होना ही है, क्यों नहीं होगा जब टीचर हम ही देख रहे होंगे।
भाई अभी सब लोग मजे नहीं हो, लेकिन एनुअल अभी पास में है, तो पढ़ो अभी से, क्योंकि मार्क्स ज़्यादा लाने पड़ेंगे, वरना तुम्हारा फ़ोन लाने में फेंक देंगे पेरेंट्स।
फिर तुम्हारा भी हो जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा? हाँ तो
पढ़ो बच्चों।
धन्यवाद। संडे में यही होता है, गुड़िया बन जाता है, व्यक्ति गोली लो फिर हो जाता है, फिर
लेके निकल आते हैं सामने से।
और सब ठीक हो वंदे करो। नहीं वंदे मत करो, एनुअल आ रहा है, पढ़ाई करो, नहीं तो फिर तुम्हारा भी हो जाएगा। मोए मोए। हाँ भाई, थैंक यू।
Wow, I'm sure this was everyone's favorite session.
We just saw how the children were so active. These young minds are the people who are gonna lead the country. They are definitely fantastic. These people are so amazing. We need to ask from the young minds of these people how they are gonna do in the country, because these are the people who are gonna lead the country.
And today we are here in Balvatika of PM Shri Kendra Vidyalaya Barampur to have a little chat with the little youngs.
So let's get started with the Balvatika 3 students. आपको बड़े होके क्या बनना है? डॉक्टर। और आपको? डांसर। वाओ। और आपको क्या बनना है? IAS officer। Wow, we just saw how these young minds are trying to become IAS officer, dancers, engineers and whatnot. So, if they are just 5 years old or 6-year-olds and they have dreamed about so much, so if you are 20 and if you have failed something, then let's not worry about it, guys. See, these young minds of people, these people are so amazing.
आपको स्कूल में आके पढ़ाई के साथ साथ क्या करना पसंद है?
ड्राइंग करना।
और
सिंगिंग करना।
ओके, आपको स्कूल आना पसंद है?
यस।
और आपको पढ़ाई के साथ साथ क्या करना पसंद है? और okay, so we just saw how great ideas revolve in this young minds.
So let's now ask the Balvatika teachers of how they are doing and how they see these young minds and their inspiration minds. Madam, we have known that you have been teaching in Balvatika since and this is the first batch. So tell us about your experience with the Balvatika students.
It's a very good experience with this because this is the starting Balvatika session which we have gone through, and by the God grace we have gone so much talented students in our school, and it's a very proud moment for us that the children are very cooperative and the parents are also very cooperative, and it's a very enthusiastic processing, and we are doing activity based method. As you can see that so many activities and the TLM are used by all these students. So they are enjoying the class as much as possible. So we are using our TLM like smartphone and different TLMs, and you can see the classroom also. It is very colorful and according to the children's theme base. So it's.
So ma'am, my question to you is that what is the one thing that you want all of your students to have as a promote to the next class?
When they came, they were they have lots of curiosity, and they have very bright ideas in their mind. So we have sharpened them, and now they are very much confident. Now they are able to write from the smart screen, and they are able to use that screen also. So we made them very confident, and we made them very bright. Although they were very bright initially, but still we made so much efforts. We put so much effort on them, and I hope they will do great when they will be promoted to first class, and they will go to second, third. Now they are more confident, and they are very cheerful, and they are very cute and adorable kids. So I wish them God bless you all, and they are very lovely, and we have enjoyed a lot with them. So we are very lovely.
It was a good answer, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
I'm sure this was everyone's favorite performance.
And now let's look forward to our tabla harmonium instrumental, which will surely remind us of the old is gold era.
Everyone.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Padmana.
I am Ashutosh.
Today we are going to present a song based on whose name is Ye Meri Zohar Jabi, which is like this.
sweet notes of the harmonium and the beats of the tabla are in a loop in my mind right now.
Now, a group of amazing folks are all set with a performance that describes that no matter how much pain you go through, you will, in the end, find your inner peace and self-confidence. You will be a believer.
So, let's welcome Choir Crew.
Hello there, this is Choir Crew. Today we are going to present a song which is loved by many, and the name of the song is Believer by Imagine Dragons. Hope you will like it. First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my CEO. Ooh, the master of my CEO. Ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking myself king to the masses, writing my poems for the people that listen to me, feeling me, singing my heart. The pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lessons from the brain, seeing the beauty through the pain. You made me a believer, believer. Pain, you break me down and made me a believer, believer. Pain, I let the bullets fly, I let them rain. The life I tried to get from. Pain, you made me a believer, believer. Kind of things turn and a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that's hard, the spirit to adore. The spirit up above. I was choking in the ground, till the rain up to the clouds, holding like ashes to the crowd, for the feelings that were drowned. But they never get thrown in the limit, till the rain down, the rain down like pain. You make me a believer, believer. Pain, you break me down and build me a believer, believer. Pain, oh let the bullets fly, oh let them rain. I let my love my life came from. Pain, you make me a believer, believer. Thank you.
What a memorable performance it was. The way all of the voices harmonized together, it was just mesmerizing.
I don't want this to end. I was enjoying this so much. In fact, I was hooked.
I know, Nitin, but we have come to the end.
But before we sign off, we would like to express our sincere appreciation to the behind the scenes team.
And a heartfelt thanks to everybody out there watching this.
We will be right back with more interesting content. Until next time, stay tuned.
I hope you all do well. Thank you for watching TRC.